In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Valorant on your PC. So I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and I'm also going to do this myself to show you that it actually works. We'll just get started right away. So right now I'm on Google and I'm simply going to search for the game. So search for Valorant, there you go. And then you'll get all of these search results, and you want to click on the first link, which is beta.playvalorant.com. Click on it, and then this will take you over to this website. Now, if this website is not showing up, that's because it's not available in your country, but you can fix that by using a VPN, and I'll show you how that works later on in the video, but I'm going to show you how it normally works right now. So you want to go to the website, and then right there, you can choose to make an account or sign into your account. Now, I've done some research and I've already made an account, so I'm going to click on sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you want to click on create an account, and you can then simply create your account. So we'll just sign into my account right now. There we go, that's my username. And then let's put in my password, there we go. You can choose to stay signed in, I'll just choose that option. And then sign into your account. They will then take you over to this page where most likely you can scroll down, or you can click right there. Yeah, okay, so you'd have to click right there, check your status, and then right there you'll see download and play. So click on download right there, and as you can see right there, it's now downloading a file. I'll get back to you once it's downloaded. And there we go, so the download is complete. You can then open it. I'll do that right now. And then let's wait. Click on yes right there, and then it should get going. And there we go, so you can then click on install right there, or click on advanced options, and then you can choose where to install it. But I'll just click on install right now, and as you can see right there, it's now installing Valorant, okay? And that's pretty much how you can do this, download this on your PC. Now, I just said that I'll get back to you if it's not available. And if you want to fix that, you would have to use a VPN. So if you cannot find this page, you would have to use a VPN. Now, I'm using IPVanish. I'll open that right now. So if you don't know what a VPN is, it's basically a virtual private network that will allow you to change your location. So let's say that this page is not available in your country. You can then, with the VPN, change your location to the United States, for example. You can then go on the internet and it looks like you're in the USA. So you will then be able to access the page and download it. And that's pretty much what a VPN will do for you. Now, we'll just wait for it to open. And there we go. So this is the VPN. You can then select a server. So click on server list once you're on the VPN. You can then choose a country. So you can choose the United States. You can then click on connect. So you can choose one of these servers. We'll choose New Orleans. You can then click on connect. And what it's going to do, it's going to connect to a server in the United States of America so that you'll change your location. There you go. So my visible location is now the United States. You can then go back to that tab if it's not there. So for me, it was already working, but if it wasn't showing up for you, you can then go back to the to your page, to your browser, while being connected to the United States server, and you will then be able to connect to it and find the page. So you can then simply search for Valorant, and it will then show up and you can then use it. Now, if you want to use IPVanish, I'll leave a link in the description down below. That will bring you over to a website, to their website, and you can then click on start now right there. And then you need to choose one of these price plans. Now, I recommend choosing this one, the $5 monthly one, since you're probably only going to do this once or a couple of times. You can also do this with other games, but I recommend this one. This is the one I'm using as well. You will get billed $5 each month, and they have a 7-day money-back guarantee, and you can save almost 60%. So I'll leave a link to that. You can then sign up, create an account. You will then get access to the VPN to change your location. And that's pretty much how you can download Valorant on your PC. Now, if this video helps you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.